Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash obviously topped in 3 waves here in July, early in July, and broke below bullish support. Yes, it did recover, and you can see how meaningful the 50% retracement level was that I called as last bullish reliable support. And if we break below that, it's likely going to go down lower. Now it broke below it, it's holding it for now, but essentially it's not really getting away from it to the upside. So I assume it will eventually break and price will eventually sustain below that level. We are watching the current decline as a wave 5 primarily, which could lead to new bear market lows. However, of course, it could always get a bit of a turnaround, like a surprise turnaround. These cryptos sometimes can turn around, but it would have to be as a diagonal structure. These are less reliable anyway, and really it would only be to complete the C wave. At the moment, I'm counting it already as A wave, B wave, C wave. That C wave could get another 4 or 5, yes, but it's just not reliable. It would really need another 4 or 5 then to have a complete 5-wave structure to the upside. So I'm at the moment very skeptical about this. At the moment anyway, for me, I have no indication that a local low has been established here. And due to the break of the $180, $182 level, it was the 50% retracement level. I'm primarily focused on the downside. Again, if we see a first small 1-2 setup here, that could extend this C wave higher, like a first small impulse, then we have to adjust. But until then, the focus is on lower. Where should price go to? Well, there is a target level that I highlighted in the last video. We identify that by looking at where did all the historical volumes sit, what is support, and support starts at around $135. Now I can zoom out and we get a better picture. So you can see it's still around $136, $137, but the point of control, the price at which most BCH, Bitcoin Cash coins were traded, is around $117. I think that price often acts a bit like a magnet. You can see how price was oscillating around that level. So that's going to be an important one as we go down lower. I don't think it will happen in a straight line. I think it will be choppy. I think we're going to see yeah, quick ups and downs. Let me just zoom in again. And it would really take a break above the wave 2 high, above $248 now, to invalidate the immediate downside. At the moment, this is anyway a little bit difficult to count the microstructure, but I can make a case for, okay, if we are really in the 5th wave to the downside, we can make a case and say, okay, we had a wave 1 here, a wave 2, we're now in the 3rd wave down, then there should be a 4 and a 5. And if we talk about the 3rd wave, I mean, let's add the Fibonacci extensions. Talking about the 1.618 extension, around $130. That is pretty much in line with that volume spike, the point of control we talked about, yeah. So there should be quite a lot of support in that region, and the Fibonacci extensions would support the idea that price could get into this region. Then after 3 waves down, we have to pay attention. Okay, is the next rally corrective? Then it could be a wave 4 and it could make another low, which could lead to a new bear market low. But it's too early for that really at this stage. It's just that I've always warned about Bitcoin Cash. Long term, it's been losing out compared to Bitcoin. So yeah, also it rallied now in 3 waves again. So this was a corrective rally. And originally also here, this rally in 2018, from 2018 to 2021, as you can see, was only a corrective rally, A, B, C. Came down in 3 waves, moved up in 3 waves. Again, this 3-wave structure, it can always become a larger 3-wave structure, but I have no evidence for that at this stage. For example, what could happen is, that's purely speculative, all of this could become a huge triangle. For example, we have a first wave of the triangle, the second wave of the triangle, the third wave of the triangle, which could be a larger A, B, C structure, yeah. And then, yeah, you know how it works with these triangles. So yeah, pay attention to that level or that range that I highlighted. No evidence that price is bottomed. A sustained break below $182 should increase downside momentum further, and it would take a break above 248 to confirm something more bullish is at play, for example, an extension of the C wave. But my preference is that we now go down lower. And I will only change my view if I see some kind of an evidence like a 5-wave move to the upside, something more aggressive. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin Cash. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.